What's going on, family? What's going on? Black Phoenix checking in at the headquarters right now, chilling outside. Feels good out here, man. It's real nice. Like, real nice. So I'm just out here kind of chilling, thinking, collecting my thoughts, man. Today was a good day. I got a chance to network with an older gentleman, help him make some money. I made some money, had some fun. Got a couple free items. You know, I always love to get something from the junkyard that I could actually use for real to make some money with. So it was cool. So I like networking, man. You know, I like to say, man, it's more than one way to skin a cat. You know what I mean? So don't think that the only way you got to eat is just welding. I'm a welder and a fabricator, but today I made money and I didn't even weld. I just helped the guy sell some items, used items, load some stuff up. Hey, it is what it is, man. We still eating. You still can enjoy yourself. And then I got some items I can use with my welding and fabrication for free. So you never know, what you can do. It's all about just thinking outside the box and actually networking with someone. Reaching out, helping someone organically. Say, hey, man, let me help you. And you never know how they reach out and bless you as well. So just want to say this, man. Right, if you're still on your quarantine or coming off of it, man, utilize the time. Think outside the box. There's more than one way, man, to actually win, to make some money, to get that passive income that you're looking for. But you got to have an open mind. So keep your mind open. Check out the market. See what you can do, man. Utilize all of the sources that you got available around you. Hold on.